In this video, we listed the 5 best compact treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lifepro Smallest Treadmill. The Lifepro Pacer Mini Treadmill is a compact and versatile exercise solution designed for small spaces, making it ideal for both home and office settings. With dimensions of 32-inch x25, x7, and a weight of 40 pounds, this underdesk treadmill features a durable stainless steel construction. It offers a maximum speed of 3 miles per hour and adjustable settings, including 2 incline stages of 5 and 7 degrees to enhance your walking routine by promoting muscle engagement and increased calorie burn. The treadmill is particularly beneficial for adults looking to boost their metabolism and manage weight effectively through regular, convenient physical activity. Additionally, its portable design, complete with wheels, allows for easy transportation and storage, while the user-friendly display enables individuals of all fitness levels to track their workouts with customizable speed options ranging from 0.5 to 3 miles per hour. Number 2. UREVO Underdesk Treadmill. The UREVO Classic Model Plus Underdesk Treadmill is designed for adults seeking a convenient and efficient way to exercise at home or in the office. This portable and lightweight treadmill, weighing just 37.5 pounds, features a compact design with dimensions of 46.57-inch x 19.29, x 4.45h, allowing it to easily fit under desks, beds, or sofas. Built with a durable alloy steel frame, it offers a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour and incorporates a double shock absorption system with 5 layers of running belt and silicone shock absorbers, ensuring a comfortable and quiet workout experience with noise levels under 45 dB. The treadmill includes an LED display for tracking speed, distance, time, and calories, along with a remote control for easy adjustments. UREVO emphasizes customer satisfaction with a 1-year warranty and dedicated after-sales service, making this treadmill an excellent choice for those looking to integrate walking, jogging, or running into their daily routine without disturbing their environment. Number 3. Horizon Fitness T202. The Horizon Fitness T202 treadmill is a versatile and durable home workout solution designed for adults, featuring a sleek black aluminum frame with a compact, foldable design for easy storage. Weighing 104.78 kilograms and equipped with a featherlight folding mechanism, it offers a substantial running area of 60-inch by 20-inch while maximizing space efficiency with its dimensions of 76 inches by 34 inches by 57 inches. Users can enjoy a maximum speed of 20 km per hour, 12 miles per hour, and a maximum incline of 12%, supported by a powerful 2.75 horsepower motor. The treadmill includes advanced features like built-in Bluetooth speakers for streaming workouts or entertainment, and user-friendly easy-dial controls that seamlessly adjust speed and incline. Designed with comfort in mind, its innovative 3-zone variable response cushioning system provides optimal support throughout the running stride, making it suitable for a weight capacity of up to 325 pounds, 147 kilograms. The upgraded T202 model offers enhanced performance compared to its predecessor, catering to fitness enthusiasts looking for reliability and convenience in their home gym setup. Number 4. Sperax Walking Treadmills. The Sperax Underdesk Treadmill is a versatile and portable fitness solution designed for home and office use, featuring a sleek classic color and a durable alloy steel construction. With dimensions of 46-inch x 19.8, x 4.7h and a weight of 43 pounds, it boasts a powerful 2.5 HP quiet motor that supports users up to 320 pounds while operating quietly to minimize disturbances. The treadmill includes an LED display for tracking speed, distance, time, and calories, along with a convenient remote control for easy speed adjustments ranging from 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour. Its non-slip running belt and shock-absorbing design ensure stability during workouts, while the space-saving, easy-to-move structure allows it to fit under furniture when not in use. This 3-in-1 walking pad caters to various fitness needs, making it an ideal choice for individuals and families, including elderly users. Number 5. NordicTrack T Series. The NordicTrack Treadmill is a versatile and high-quality fitness machine designed for home use, featuring a sleek black design and dimensions of 68.3-inch dx 30.5 wx 48.67 h, weighing 140 pounds and made from durable alloy steel. It supports a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour, making it suitable for both walking and running. This model includes a range of special features, such as built-in speakers, Bluetooth connectivity, heavy-duty construction, auto-incline capabilities, and a compact design for easy storage. Additionally, it is IFIT-enabled, offering a 30-day trial membership that allows users to connect their smartphones or tablets for access to worldwide outdoor workouts and hands-free resistance adjustments, catering specifically to adult fitness enthusiasts.